Welcome to our show. This is Famous Last Words, Advent of Code, Day 3. Ain't that a mouthful? We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And today, we're doing a little bit of binary diagnostic. The submarine has been making some odd creaking noises. So you ask it to produce a diagnostic report, just in case. Because you're underwater. You're going to get crushed. The diagnostic report consists of a list of binary numbers, which, when decoded properly, can tell you many useful things about the conditions of the submarine. The first parameter to check is the power consumption. You need to use the binary numbers in the diagnostic report to generate two new binary numbers. The power consumption can then be found by multiplying the gamma rate by the epsilon rate. Each bit in the gamma rate can be determined by finding the most common bit in the corresponding position of all numbers in the diagnostic report.
We're dealing with binary now, not just binary, but binary strings. A little bit of fun there, parsing binary strings.
I mean, you got numbers. You got a 0, a 1, maybe a 2, probably not a 2.
Do you need more?
So Matt, how'd you go about solving Day 2, a dive?
It was a pretty simple Day 2, and that is the feeling I've got from talking with other competitors in the Advent of Code. Day 1 was a little bit more challenging. Day 2 only required one iteration through, or at least part 1 of Day 2 only required one iteration through the information to get the notation.
The dictation?
I need to pull up the code. I need a refresher.
Can you summarize your code and give it to us in a clear, concise, 2-sentence answer?
I don't even remember what the problem was.
Well,
So we're diving. Day 2, we're diving. We've got some commands up, down, up, down, forward, up, down, forward. We've got some commands up, down, forward. And we need to calculate where the submarine is going. So I tackled this problem. I imported the data, and I just, using a while loop, went through each step, found out what the command was, and added it to a vertical axis counter or a horizontal axis counter, and then got my final.
If you will. That's a matrix.
I mean, it would be a matrix if you put it in a, if you bundled it, Christmas, you bundling it in a matrix data type. But I didn't do that. I put them in two very simple integer variables, and then just simply multiplied them at the end. Done. Oh wait, can't snap. Done. And then part 2 is pretty much the same, just instead of simply taking that variable for up, down, they had to be applied to an aim multiplier.
Hold on. So you're saying that you got the up, down, and you got the left, right, and the AB? My God. We're doing the Konami code. Do you think we, like, unlock more stars if we accomplish the Konami code?
You unlock the windows when you get that far.
Yeah, yeah.
You can open this.
Oh, God. Now, what did you find a lot of people having trouble with regards to Day 2?
The biggest trouble I saw reading through people's code and reading what they were saying is they had more than one while loop. They were looping too hard. Really, all the checks can be done all at once. Adding multiple loops just increases the amount of time it's going to take your code to run. If you would like to hear us discuss more interesting things or bring up other topics, shoot us a message, drop us an email. Just talk to us. We'll bring it up. There's always Day 3. I mean, it's the Advent. It runs for 25 days. Can't all be like this. We need something. Give us something. Throw us a bone.
We'll see you tomorrow. This is your hosts, Matt and Will, signing off.
Bye-bye. I wouldn't say there was a lot of looping yesterday.
I'd say the coder was rather loopy.
Oh. Seems like you can't wink with both eyes. Just a blink.
Just a blink.